What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Thursday, so happy Thursday. I don't think I've ever started a vlog on a Thursday, but it's Thursday. Our birthday is on Monday, so today's Thursday, February. I don't even know. Shoot, today's what? Oh my god, hold on. So sorry. So today is the 20th of February. My birthday is the 24th, and I'm keeping a little something on the weekend, which is the 22nd. Yeah, so I'm actually on the road right now. It's currently raining, as you can see. Well, I'm hoping you are seeing. I think you should be seeing, because anyways, that's besides the point. So there's a bunch of stuff that I have to do on my list today, and I'm kind of bummed that it's raining, but we're gonna get through because it's gonna have to be done today, between today and tomorrow. So currently in the parking lot for the supermarket. After that the supermarket, I'm gonna head to Mega Mart. Well, I'm actually gonna call them first to see if I can get a pricing for something. And what else? Oh, I need to get tablecloth. I need to go to the fabric store and get a black cloth, and I think that's it for now, but we do have like a few other stuff. Yeah, so I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys liked my vlog that I uploaded. I actually uploaded it today. It is a slow Saturday vlog, and it's behind the scenes of content creating. So I'm actually doing I did a sit down video, so I'm super excited to share that with you guys. That probably will be posted next week, or maybe this weekend. I think maybe this weekend. We're gonna see how it goes, because again, like I said, I wanting to start to upload at least 2 videos per week and all of that. But anyways, we are here and just gonna run through these errands, and then we will see what happens for the rest of the day. But this video is basically preparing for my birthday party and all of that. I actually went and ordered the cake, sugar and spice, of course. So my future husband out there, or wedding cake, is gonna be sugar and spice. I have the order here. Let me just keep it in the car because it's cheap. I really don't want to lose anything, and then if you lose a receipt, you're gonna have to pay for it, and then a whole lot of stuff. So I just want to ensure that I keep that receipt safe and pick it up tomorrow, Friday, because I went there today thinking I could pick it up on Saturday. Homegirl said if I order today, it has to be tomorrow. If I come back tomorrow, Friday, I can get it Saturday. But honestly, I don't want to do the run up and down Saturday, because I'm going to the event very early to prepare everything that I need to prepare. So having the cake tomorrow evening is fine. We're gonna use the cake Saturday, so yeah, not much of a big deal. Anyways, appreciate you guys. We will catch up. I'm gonna head right into the supermarket now while it's raining, because I don't have any time to waste, and it's 1:25. Alright guys, so there's a few items left on my list, and then I need to head out of here. So we are home, finished with our errands or whatever. I did pick up a package. So this has to do with my party. So I purchased a disco ball light that I can plug in and just make it a whole party vibe. Then I also purchased a game, I should say, which would be a card game. So this is it. I'm gonna be using it tonight. Hold on. Yeah, so this is a card game. I'm going to be using it tomorrow night, because I'm having a games night at my house, just for a few friends. Oopsie. Okay, so just a few friends. It's called Drinking Games Get You Drunk. So hopefully this is a good type of game. I'll let you guys know how it's how fun it was. And yeah, we'll see what the vibe is like tomorrow. I will be bringing this at the so I'm actually having 2 events for my birthday, one tomorrow Friday and the main one Saturday. You guys will get more information tomorrow Friday. And this is the disco party light. We're gonna literally try this. I wonder if I should try it now. It comes with a remote control, sound activated. Yeah, so it's sound activated. So if I'm playing a type of music, the lights will, you know, activate how based on the rhythm of the music. That's how the lights will go. Ooh, I can't wait to try it. You know, I'm so excited. I want to try it now. So we're gonna try it together. We're gonna try it together right now. Even though I know like seeing it best would have been in the night, but I'm gonna try it now because tomorrow, like I said, I'm having a games night, so I'll definitely plug it in again and then we'll see how it looks tomorrow night. Guys, I actually set it up and everything. It's definitely small, which I already knew that, and tiny, but it's cool. I love it. And look at the wall. Let's see. It's cute. I got it on Amazon. It will be down in the description box with a specific link if you guys are interested. Yeah.
I know you're gonna like it. I know you're gonna like it. I'm stepping up, Anaya. I'm stepping up, Anaya. So don't you fight it. So don't you fight it.
Nobody told you this before, but you outshine the sun. The type that I've been looking for. I've seen you inside my dreams. So baby, come a little closer. Know that you are the only one. I wanna see your body move. Don't be.
Excuse me.
You think you're cute? Many little people them teeth.
I don't mean to drive, you know. I don't mean to drive. Okay, yeah, because we're almost there with our list of stuff for the birthday. Oh, the what's over there, so girl, we passed it. So we're in Mega Mart right now, if y'all did not know. So we're just getting a few stuff for the party. All of these. The only thing remaining is just water. Then we're gonna need to get a pedicure because toes has to be blue. Toes, no.
We are early to over.
The two of them have to look nice for tomorrow. And yeah, I haven't ate anything, so I think my energy is getting low. Anyways, we're gonna find the water. The water next. Alright guys, so just coming from Mega Mart and I bought me a salad from Mega Mart. I hope it tastes good. We have been on the road literally from morning. Yeah, we have been on the road from morning and I'm just trying to get everything just sorted out right now so I can be done with the road. I need to purchase fabric. I'm looking down because I'm on my laptop doing some work, so I need to purchase what's it called? I need to purchase shit, I don't even remember what I need to purchase. Oh, I need to purchase fabric for the backdrop and all of that. But yeah, I'm just gonna eat this salad right now because I'm really starving. Really and truly starving. We have to read it.
Or finish your drink.
Where's that?
DM your ex's new partner.
DM.
Oh, my ear name.
Oh, no, my girl, just pass me the buckle. I don't care. On your left is now your master.
First of all,
Transfer nothing to you.
Hey guys, what's going on? So today's Saturday. It's literally the day of my event, so I am keeping a pool party today. And so last night was Friday, right? So I think I did do a little video to show y'all. I did some little errands that I did. I had a game night at my house last night, and then today is a big bad event, which is a pool party. So I am here just trying to get these balloons together. But the issue is, as I try to attempt to inflate a balloon, the shit thingy bursts. So I call, somebody, say, hey, I'm gonna need some more balloons because this thing is just not working out at all. 100 balloons and they're all just bursting. They all are bursting. It's just so annoying. But watch here, as I open this, they're all rotten. That's ridiculous. But a lot will be going on today. Super busy. Not sure how much I can vlog because I have to just get ready and all of that nonsense. But I appreciate you guys so much for tuning in. And my birthday is it's actually the February 24th, so you guys can wish me a happy birthday. I should be posting in my community, so you guys can send me a happy birthday there. However, I do appreciate you guys follow me on Instagram as well to give me a shout out, yeah. Oops.
Star, up to the top of the car. Don't know by the law. You don't know what I done saw. Couldn't live without it. Couldn't live without it.
Hey guys, we're gonna have to video like this because I cannot find my lighting, the small clippable lighting for the phone. I can't find it. So I have been MIA on the vlogging, mainly because I told y'all I'd be keeping an event. I don't think I went into specifics, but now the event. On Friday night, I did a games night, just a small gathering at my house to start off the birthday celebration. Then on Saturday, I organized a pool party for my birthday, which is upcoming on the 24th, which is a Monday. So February 22nd, I had the pool party. It was such a great event, y'all. I was so busy trying to organize, trying to plan, set up the place and everything. And it was just so impossible for me to vlog. I know that for a couple seconds I told y'all I was pumping the balloons, but after that y'all, I don't know what happened, but I'm not gonna lie, I had the greatest first birthday party in my adult year. I think this is my second birthday celebration ever in my adult years. I was so blown away for the support, the love. My birthday came in so great. Like, it was everything. I want to pick up NLM Catering, guys. If you're looking for a catering company to provide food for any type of event at all, please follow them on Instagram. DM them and tell you Kerrian sent you. And when you're ready for your event, just put them. They donated, like I had to pay $0, and they provided food. So my mom did cook food, and then they also provided me with additional food. So big up NLM or NLK Catering, y'all. I'm gonna put the correct name, y'all. Follow them. Any catering at all for kids' birthday, adults' birthday, weddings, whatever, they will provide it. The food was so good, so I really appreciate them. And for everyone who came to my events and all of that, thank you so much. Like, appreciate it. I know this vlog will be posted after my birthday, which is the 24th of February. So I know people in the comments, you guys probably gonna tell me happy belated birthday. Thank you so much in advance. You guys can follow me on my Instagram if you wanna send me like a private message, like what you can do that. But yeah, appreciate it. And tonight is Sunday, so I'm gonna head out to a pool party. You know, Sunday is normally my vibe day where I go to I Love Souls, but I'm gonna go to a pool party instead, another pool party, and support one of my friends. So this is the fit that we're working with. Tomorrow, the actual birthday, I do not have any plans at all. Will I be doing anything? I'm not sure, but we're gonna see. But yeah, this is the outfit, and we just wearing our hat. And yeah, I appreciate you guys so much for everything, and I'll see you guys at the events.
I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, back it up, fuck 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 it up, break it up.
Brought out the pink Lamborghini, just a race with China. What the race in China? Just a race in China. Little bad Trini bitch, but she mixed with China. Real thick vagina, smuggle bricks to China. I tell my niggas, cut the check, bust it out, turn your goofy dog. Pow, I do spit on it, yes, that's it. I'm a bad bitch, I'ma throw it. I'ma bust it open.